How to use Shopify with WordPress buy button tutorial. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you all are doing great and are having an amazing and absolutely incredible day. I bring you back with yet another video, and in this video we are going to be talking about a proper way of using Shopify with your WordPress, and I'm going to be showing you the buy button tutorial and how you can use this buy button to actually add the important parts of WordPress, which are actually the buy button. Because when it comes to adding the buy button, it's not the easiest thing when it comes to doing it on WordPress. So we're going to be talking about it in great depth and detail. So please do make sure to fully watch this video till the end to get the proper idea, and please do make sure to drop down a like, subscribe to the channel, because that truly helps me out a lot. And yeah, basically from there on out, we are going to get straight into this tutorial. So I'm going to jump into my Shopify and we're going to get started with this. I do just want to clear one thing up before I get started, and that's when you're using Shopify and you go onto the paid package for this, you only need the Shopify Lite account, which is, $9 a month. So you don't need to go for one of the web builder accounts, which are the Shopify Basic, Shopify Standard, and Shopify Advanced. You just need the Shopify Lite because you just need one piece of functionality, which, as I say, is $9 a month. But when you're on the free trial, which you get for 14 days, when you sign up to Shopify, you'll have access to pretty much all of the features on Shopify before you move on to that paid package. If that makes sense, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to add the functionality for buy it button into Shopify dashboard. And what we're going to do for this is we're going to come and click on this sales channel. And once you come into your sales channel over here, basically, when you're on the Shopify Lite package, a lot of these won't be available because these are only available to people who are on the full website build package, but you're not bothered about that because you just want one piece of functionality, which is the buy button. So you can find the buy button over here, okay? And I'm just gonna go ahead and write the buy button. And in the case that you don't get the buy button in the proper store, you can just find it here. So here's the buy button channel. So sell your products on any website or blog. So this is exactly what we need, and it's totally free. So obviously we're gonna go with this. I'm gonna click on install, and the developers were the people at Shopify themselves. This was developed by them. So obviously we're gonna go ahead and use it. I'm just gonna wait for things to load up, and here you go. So here, the basic things I've loaded up for the widgets, and you can see install, buy a button, Shopify with buy button. I'm gonna click on add sales channel, and it's gonna add the buy button as a new sales channel into my store in the easiest way possible. So once you've added the sales channel, what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead into our designs, and here it says create a buy button for a website or a blog. Now, obviously, once you do this, you're gonna click on create a buy button. Once you do that, what type of buy button would you like to create? So, there's two types of buy buttons. There's product buy button, which is recommended for showing one product on a blog page or a website. Or then there's collection buy button, which is recommended for showing an entire collection on a full page. So pretty easy, pretty basic, right? So this obviously depends on the products and collections that you're going to be showing on the pages that you currently have. Then obviously, comes along the different integratory stuff for the other buttons as well. So, really easy, really simple, and really fun stuff to get your head around. So to sell your products online and let customers check out right away, all you're gonna do is I'm gonna go with product buy button, okay? And let's say I'm going to go with this product, this one product that I have in my store. And once you do that, it brings you into the customization. Okay. So in this customization, you can produce different button options for yourself. There's layout styles, action when people actually click, button styles, shopping carts, advanced settings, and a whole lot more. Here's your layout styles. Let's say I'm going to go with full view, and this brings you to the full view. This is your basic, which is just, one button. You click on add to cart and it gives you this. Okay. So really easy, really simple stuff to get your head around. I'm going to go ahead with the classic because that just looks better. So I'm just going to go with classic. People click on add to cart and things are just going to, redirect them. So pretty easy, pretty simple, pretty great stuff. Then moving on, you can add this product to cart pretty easily as well. So action when people click. So if people click on add to cart, it's gonna, direct them to checkout, open product details, or add the product to the cart. Again, this depends on the type of working you want to go with. Now, obviously, what you're going to want to have to keep in mind is that obviously we're going to be using this with WordPress. So let's go with a design that's the same as your WordPress. We don't want to go with a design that's, oblivious to our WordPress. So first of all, there's a button style, and you can, work and mess around with the different button styles as well. So there's button corners, button widths, and all. So let's say, I can increase the button width, and there's button corners. You can, make them rounded and circular, and then that looks pretty nice. Then there's colors, okay? There's the colors of these designs. So let's say I'm gonna go with the, some type of dark yellow design over here. And then there's different, whatever you want to go with, whatever suits your eyes. Once you do that, you can choose some type of font as well. And there's your font. Then there's sizes to the button or sizes to the font. Let's say I want to make it smaller, so I'm just going to keep it this way. Then there's the button color. So let's say I'm going to go with a dark color over here. That looks nice as well. Moving on, more things to talk about. There's the layout of the whole design. So, you can go with a small design, medium, large. I'm going to go ahead with this. Then there's the alignment for the design. I'm going to keep it in center. Button text, add to cart, or maybe you can click on buy now. So I'm going to keep it on add to cart. Then there's colors, product title, and a whole lot of other, settings and details. So once you've done all of this, you're just going to click on next. And here it says get your buy button on. Then it gives you these three basic products. It says WordPress, Squarespace, Wix. Now in our case, we're going to click on copy code. And once you copy this code to use Shopify with WordPress, you're going to go over to your WordPress website. Okay. And once you come over to your WordPress website over here, what's going to happen is that you're going to get the option to add this stuff in your WordPress by doing additional CSS. So basically, you're going to come into Appearance, you're going to click on Customize, choose whatever page you want to customize, and we're going to be adding the additional CSS in this section. Okay, I'm going to click on Additional CSS. Obviously, make sure your store is upgraded. And once everything is upgraded and good to go, you're going to add the additional CSS option in this page. And once you add the additional CSS, everything should be easy and good to go from there. So yeah, basically that is how you are going to be adding a buy button in your WordPress and using Shopify with WordPress. So yeah, basically that is how simple and easy it is to do this for yourself. Now, if you enjoyed watching this video, please do make sure to drop down a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you want to see more videos like this in the future, let me know down in the comments below and I'll be making more for you. But yeah, that's essentially about it for this video. Thank you for watching it till the end, and I will be seeing all of you wonderful people next time. Goodbye.